Capstone, Assignment 1, Drought. When given the options of what to write about for this first capstone project, drought immediately stood out to me because it has personally affected myself and my family very recently. My family moved to the Colorado Springs area about 10 years ago, and I usually try to visit them at least once a year. Back when they moved there in 2010, Colorado was undergoing severe drought, which ended up causing some pretty extreme wildfires due to the dry conditions being perfect to fuel wildfires. There are two big fires I remember specifically, the first being in 2012 called the Waldo Canyon Fire, which destroyed over 300 homes and killed 2 people. My parents' house was in the direct path of the fire at one point, and they were part of the houses the state called to have evacuated, but unfortunately the fire changed directions and their house was not affected. I was visiting in 2013 for the next one, and this was called the Black Forest Fire. This fire was the most destructive fire in Colorado State's history, destroying 488 homes and killing 2 people. My parents' house again was extremely close to this fire, but thankfully avoided it. For the entire week I was visiting, the air all around us was dark gray, filled with smoke. As discussed in the globalchange.gov Chapter 8 on drought, this continues to be a real issue. Significant spring and fall drying is also projected in the mountainous western states, with potential implications for forest and wildfire risk. Both anthropogenic climate change and the legacy of land use/management have an influence on U.S. wildfires and are subtly and inextricably intertwined. Also, according to the Palmer Drought Severity Index from NOAA, displayed on our course website, Colorado is alarmingly almost entirely in the severe drought category. While one cannot blame drought-caused wildfires solely on climate change, it is safe to say it is a significant factor.